Sugar is often viewed primarily as a dietary concern linked to weight gain, but its impact on brain health is equally alarming. The regular consumption of large amounts of sugar can lead to a variety of negative effects on the brain, from impairing cognitive function to increasing the risk of mental health disorders. Here's how sugar can harm the brain. 1. Cognitive decline and memory impairment. Excessive sugar intake can lead to a decrease in cognitive abilities. High sugar consumption has been linked to impaired learning and memory. Studies suggest that diets high in refined sugars can reduce brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein responsible for the growth and survival of neurons. Low levels of BDNF are associated with poor memory and cognitive decline, raising the risk of conditions like dementia and Alzheimer's disease. 2. Inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Sugar contributes to chronic inflammation, which affects the brain's functioning. Inflammatory markers are often elevated in individuals with diets high in sugar, and this inflammation can damage neural pathways. Additionally, sugar consumption increases oxidative stress in the brain, which can lead to cellular damage and accelerated brain aging. 3. Increased risk of depression and anxiety. High sugar diets are associated with an increased risk of mental health issues, particularly depression and anxiety. Sugar triggers spikes and crashes in blood glucose levels, which can cause mood swings and feelings of irritability. Moreover, sugar affects the balance of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which regulates mood. A diet rich in sugar can disrupt these chemicals, exacerbating feelings of anxiety and contributing to depressive symptoms. 4. Sugar addiction and altered reward pathways. Sugar has a direct impact on the brain's reward system, leading to addictive behavior. Consuming sugar releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter linked to pleasure and reward. Over time, frequent sugar consumption can alter the brain's reward pathways, similar to how drug addiction works. This can lead to sugar cravings, overeating, and withdrawal symptoms when sugar intake is reduced. 5. Impaired brain plasticity. Brain plasticity refers to the brain's ability to change and adapt, especially in response to learning and experience. Diets high in sugar have been shown to reduce brain plasticity, making it more difficult for individuals to form new memories and learn new skills. This is particularly concerning for children and young adults, whose brains are still developing and are more vulnerable to the effects of sugar. 6. Increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Chronic consumption of high levels of sugar has been associated with an increased risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Some researchers refer to Alzheimer's as type 3 diabetes due to its link with insulin resistance in the brain. Sugar can impair insulin signaling in the brain, which may lead to the buildup of toxic proteins that cause neurodegeneration. 7. Disrupted sleep patterns. Sugar consumption can interfere with sleep patterns by causing energy spikes and crashes, which affect the body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Poor sleep, in turn, negatively impacts brain function, leading to reduced attention, memory, and cognitive performance. Over time, poor sleep quality caused by sugar can also increase the risk of mental health issues. Conclusion: while sugar's effects on physical health are well known, its damaging effects on the brain are often overlooked. By contributing to cognitive decline, addiction-like behaviors, mood disorders, and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases, sugar poses a significant threat to mental and neurological health. Reducing sugar intake not only benefits the body but also plays a crucial role in protecting the brain's long-term health and function.